Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about conjunctions or joining words. So open your books at page 98. Conjunctions join sentences and words. Here we have an example. You can go, but I must stay. Second example is Bashir and Rashid went to school. Here in this example you can see that here two sentences are joined. You can go, but I must stay. This is one sentence. You can go. I must stay. But the word but is used to join first part of the sentence to the other. So conjunctions are the words which joins one part of sentence to the other. Like Bashir and Rashid went to school. So conjunction and is joining Bashir and Rashid. There are two kinds of conjunctions, coordinative and subordinative. Coordinative are called coordinative conjunctions because they join sentences of coordinate rank or of equal rank. Like we shall go to bazaar and buy our clothes. These sentences are independent of each other and can be written separately. Like we shall go to bazaar and second part we shall buy our clothes. Hence they are of equal rank. So we can say that coordinative conjunctions are those which combines or which joins the sentences or the sentences of equal rank or of equal importance. Commonly used coordinative conjunctions are and, but, therefore, also, hence, however, so, only, or, as well as. Now come to second kind. It is subordinative conjunctions. They are called because they join a subordinate sentence to the principal sentence. Like I would die before I tell a lie. I would die is a principal sentence and can stand alone, but before I tell a lie is a subordinate sentence and depends upon the principal sentence for its meanings. So subordinative conjunctions are those which used to join subordinatives part of sentence to the principal sentence. Like we have an example that I would die. This is principal or main sentence. If we write it down separately, it conveys us full meaning. But the other part, like before I tell a lie, this is subordinative sentence, subordinative part of sentence. It depends on the first part for conveying us full meaning. So that kind of conjunctions are called subordinate conjunctions. These are that, because, as, since, lest, if, though, and although. Some conjunctions are used in pairs and these are called correlatives. Like we always use either and or in a sentence, like either Akbar or Asghar may go. Like neither and nor. We use both in a sentence, like he is neither well, neither tall nor very short. Similarly, both and, not only but also. Not sooner and then, like no sooner did he utter these words than he was stabbed. Similarly, we use so and that, so as. Now we have to do exercise. It is on page 100. Point out the conjunctions in the following sentences and mention the kind to which each belongs. We have to find out the conjunctions and then we have to tell their kinds. First one, you must be silent while the teacher speaks. While is subordinate conjunction. He must stay till I come. Till is subordinate conjunction. You must not go if it rains. If is subordinate conjunction. Ahmad as well as you must go. It is coordinative conjunction. Your father is not so old as mine. So is coordinate conjunction. Although he called, the servant did not come. Although is subordinate conjunction. I want neither the one nor the other. It is called correlatives. As we have already read that whenever we are going to use one word like neither, we are going to use nor. So it is correlatives. You can give me either tea or coffee. Again, it is correlative. Bring me a slate and a pencil, and is coordinate conjunction. Walk carefully lest you should fall. Lest is subordinate conjunction. Insert coordinate conjunctions in the places left blank. Therefore you and I must go. He and his brother was fined. I work day and night. He is poor but honest. The day was short, but the journey was long. He was a kind officer, hence was loved by all. And rest of the blanks you have to fill up by yourself with coordinate conjunctions. Here you have to insert subordinate conjunction in the places left blank. He told us that rain had fallen. That is subordinate conjunction. So I have filled it here. He will succeed as he has worked hard. He took medicine so that he might recover. I will do this if I am allowed. He is an honest man, although he is poor. I have done 5 for you, and rest of the 5 you have to do by yourself, and you have to write down all these in your copies. This is the piece of land that Afzal bought. He saw the man that bought my house. Take heed lest you should fall. I have not seen him since he left. He had scarcely seen me as he ran away. Although you are diligent, diligent means hardworking, you will not succeed. He works hard so that he may win the scholarship. You will fail if you don't work hard. I know the school where I was educated. No sooner did he see the lion than he ran away.